spending hours on video creation. Unlock the power of AI to build stunning videos in minutes. Today, we're diving into InVideo AI, your secret weapon for automated, professional-quality video production. The magic starts with just a simple idea here in the InVideo AI interface. You'll find a prompt window. This is where you'll tell the AI what your video is about for this tutorial. Let's say we want to create a video about the benefits of remote work. Just type in your topic or a brief description, and InVideo AI gets to work. It's like having a personal scriptwriter at your fingertips. Watch as InVideo AI instantly generates a complete script, complete with scene descriptions and talking points. It analyzes your prompt and breaks down the content into digestible segments, making the entire process incredibly smooth. But the automation doesn't stop there. For each scene, InVideo AI suggests relevant stock media. You can browse through a vast library of high-quality videos and images. If a suggestion isn't quite right, you can easily search for alternatives or even upload your own assets to perfectly match your brand and message. Now, for the voiceover, InVideo AI provides a range of natural-sounding AI voices. Simply choose the one that best suits your video's tone and your target audience. You can even adjust the pitch and speed to get that perfect delivery. Once you're happy with the visuals and voiceover, you can fine-tune the video. Add background music from their extensive library to set the mood. You can adjust the timing of each scene, add text overlays, and even incorporate your logo for branding. It's all about making the video uniquely yours. And there you have it. In just a few minutes, we've transformed a simple idea into a compelling, automated video. InVideo AI is a game changer for anyone looking to create engaging content efficiently. Give it a try and unlock your video creation potential.